I'm doing a speaker reel, and for those who don't know, it just means that I'm creating a video, like a narrative, a story to share with people, so that when people ask what you do and if they're interested in hiring me, I send that across. So during the course of this reel, the videographer, Brad tells me, he goes, Sal, he wanted to create different scenes. So there's one where I'm upset, there's one where I'm tired, one where I'm happy. And all of those kind of came pretty easily, I would say. I was able to act it out. But the one that I had the most challenge with was when he said, Sal, I don't want to just see you angry, I want to see rage. I'm kind of talking about Bruce Banner to Hulk, right? Where you need the rage and just become this other being. And I tried and I couldn't do it. But he was not one to give up, and neither was I. So he said, think of something that really burns you up. And I said, Brad, I've just kind of I come to peace with a lot of things and just accepting of a lot of things rather than letting it burn me up from inside, because I want to have that inner peace. And he said, think of the last time you were angry. I said, okay, yeah, it's not like I'd never get angry. I'm not going to lie. I do get angry. But as soon as I get angry and I'm feeling that I'm about to go from Bruce to the Hulk, I pause and I have these techniques to calm myself down. Because the last thing I want to do is do something that I will regret. And so kudos to all the actors, by the way, who can do this, because I found it not to be that easy at all. But what I realized that with practice over time, whether it's through acceptance, forgiveness, coming to peace with things, resolving matters that are causing you pain inside, you just become a more peaceful person. And so if it's so difficult for me to get angry, which it wasn't before, by the way, I had a short fuse, I realized that through practice, you can get better. So what techniques are you using to lower your potential rage? I would love to know. Because we don't want to be the Hulk. Let's be us.